It just means we can't read your what? Mind. So if you don't label, then we won't know what's inside what you were thinking. So I have these cans. And I removed all of the what?
Label.
Be honest, sir. Are there some kids who don't like to label? They don't like, all they want to do is pick answers.
Absolutely.
Eeny, meeny, miny. Is anybody willing to pick one of these cans? I'll open it up for you, and you eat what's inside for 5 points. She raised her hand first, all right? You see all the cans?
Oh man.
Now, I have to warn you. These cans have labels. Do you think she's gonna want to come over here and eat cat food?
Yeah.
No.
Don't say that.
So that would be like you labeled, but it had nothing to do with what the question was about, so it's just careless, okay? So be careful when you're labeling. So when I go like that, I want you to say that L word. What is the L? Label, when you mark the test. So please, I know there's the little mini hot dogs there. So you can grab one of these that have no label, have the label, or you can grab one of those that don't have a label. It's up to you. All right, pick one. You got 5 seconds to choose one. Come on over. 4, 3, 2. All right. Let me look at the bottom. It says, can you read my writing?
No. Oh, dog food.
Is it really?
I don't know.
Yes. So,
It's gravy.
even though she didn't label, that is dog food. But
Oh,
I
it
don't
smells good.
I don't think a normal person would eat dog food. And you would get the answer wrong, and sir, I would say, I'm gonna put some cans without labels on top of one of my drawers, and I'm gonna leave it there for the tester to remind you on the test day. Make sure that you label as much as possible so you don't make a careless mistake. Now, I'm not going to make you do this, but I'm willing to sacrifice for you.
Yummy, isn't it?
Tastes delicious.
I love that she said that. When I asked one group, sir, how's it going? Every single student and teacher said, good. She didn't say it tastes good. She says, it's delicious. Liar, you didn't have to eat it. I'm about to vomit right now. That was cool. She was willing to get in front of her friend and take the vomit for her, so she should get a point at least. Is that cool that she was willing to protect you?
I'm new here. I'm willing to embarrass myself.
So, how many of you, just to get the 5 points that she got right now, would eat some dog food? I'm curious. Okay, sir, they should get a point just for being willing to. Is labeling important? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I dare you to go to H-E-B or Walmart, remove all the labels. Because my mom said I don't have to label. Neither does H-E-B. And that's dumb.